Hello user, you can use this app to image resize. Here, note for you don't select this type of images, this images are corrupted, so you image resize process is over or give error. Now I will guide you for this app. Click bottom corner plus sign button and it's show you two options, camera and gallery. You can take picture or select image from gallery. Now we select from gallery. Now open gallery and long press to select one or more images, then see top open option, click and now click add option and then select more images from gallery and then press right sign to enter folder name for your created images saved in that folder. Press OK, then see we get different quality and dimensions. Now we select custom and enter dimensions and then press compress. Now to start the process to resize images. After successfully resized, it's redirect you to your resized images folder. See images and image size and change dimensions. Now you can hear from see images in full view. Click the image and see in full screen and you can swipe to see other images and you can share image from here. Come back to your folder. Now long press to select images and multiple images. Share from here and press back to you see your name folder and long press to select and delete folder.